Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure a gift voucher-based scheme in Logic ERP. Before defining the scheme campaign, let's first set up the gift vouchers. Go to the main menu, open the Setup module, and under Setup Accounts, select Setup Customer Database. From there, open the Setup Gift Voucher window. Define the gift voucher prefix. Set the number range for how many vouchers will be issued, and enter the voucher amount. Select the account to map the vouchers with and set the expiry days for voucher validity. Tick the option to mark as issue, and save the settings. Next, open the Setup Gift Voucher template window. Enter the template name, voucher prefix, voucher amount, account name, and expiry days. Then save it. Now we will set up a new scheme based on gift voucher. For that, go to the configuration menu and open the scheme campaign setup window. Enter the scheme campaign name and define the active period for the scheme, then save it. Now, go to the Group Options tab, select the scheme campaign, add the group name. In the Scheme Group Type column, press the space key to choose the type on which the scheme will apply and save the changes. Finally, go to the Scheme Groups tab, select the company or brand to which the scheme applies and save the details. Next, we will configure the slab details for the defined scheme. Open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window from the menu bar. Select the scheme campaign. Enter 1 in the minimum quantity field and set the scheme basis to quantity. In the slab value column, enter 1. Then, in the gift voucher template column, press the space key and choose the template we created earlier from the drop-down list. After that, enter 1 in the gift voucher count column. This means that when the bill is saved with this campaign applied, the customer will automatically receive 1 gift voucher, which they can redeem during their next purchase. Once all the details are entered, save the changes. Now, let's see how this scheme works in the sale bill. Start a new transaction. After entering the items, proceed to save the sale bill. A prompt will appear asking whether to apply the scheme campaign. Tick the checkbox to apply the scheme we created. Once applied, the gift voucher will be automatically allocated to the customer. Now, let's preview the sale bill. The gift voucher details will be displayed in the current bill and the customer can redeem this voucher during their next purchase. When the same customer visits again and makes a new purchase, they will present the previous bill and provide the gift voucher details. During payment, enter the gift voucher number. Since the gift voucher is worth 100 rupees, that amount will be automatically adjusted against the bill value, and the remaining balance will be paid by the customer through their selected payment method.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.